Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a sample problem from the ACT math test that involves fractions. I suggest you pause the video, solve the problem by yourself, and then compare your solution with mine. Alright, let's solve this problem. Three identical containers are filled with water in proportions of 1/5, 1/2, and 5/6 of their respective volumes. If the water were distributed equally among the containers, what fractions of each container's volume would be filled? The total amount of water would be 1/5 plus 1/2 plus 5/6, which should be distributed equally among three containers. Now we create the lowest common denominator for the fractions, which is 30. Why? Because 6 is already a multiple of 2, so we can simply multiply 5 by 6 to get 30. The first fraction should be multiplied by 6. The second fraction should be multiplied by 15. And the third fraction should be multiplied by 5. So we get 5 times 5 equals 25, and the whole thing should be divided by 3, which gives us 46 divided by 30 times 3. Now we can simplify the fraction to get 46 divided by 2 gives us 23. 30 divided by 2 gives us 15, which gives us 23 divided by 15 times 3 gives us 45, and that's it. The answer is D. Great. That's the typical problem that you may encounter on the ACT math test that involves fractions. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.